literally done 2 baking videos in 2 weeks because my mum literally just bought 2 bags of this baking mix for making brown bread. And as you can see, I have actually upgraded lights. I've got a, not sponsored, but I think it's called a Abba Studio LED light with the dim and stuff. It's amazing and it just makes it look so much more professional. So we are going to be making this amazing bread. And so the first thing is you'll have to go to a certain store and buy some malted brown bread mix. Now, the first step is to pour this into a bowl of your choice. Reasonably big bowl, but not too big, otherwise, yeah. If I can get this open, I will. Now, we'll pour into a ready-used bowl because I have practiced this. Oh, cool. I'll just show you. And pour it in. Oh yeah. Make sure all of it's out. Go away. Go over there. Now you need approximately 320 grams. Oh, my maths teacher's too bad. No, I'm joking. My maths teacher's good. 320 milliliters of lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold, even though this is like boiling water. That's alright. Now, we're going to add our water to our dry ingredients. Just like make a well. My Version Kitchen, not sponsored, but I think. Now, oh, I've forgotten a spoon. I'll be 1 sec. I've got a swapper here. I'm going to stir up our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. Should be good. Okay, now you have mixed your wet ingredients with your dry ingredients. Now you have to get really hands-on and mix it together like it's something that you really don't like. Okay, now we have got it to a doughy consistency. That's about like 2 minutes of just mixing with your bare hands. Just get onto a thing with it. I don't have any brown flour, so I just use white plain flour. I don't think it matters. Well, that one came out alright, so. Now all we need to do is just push it down, fold it, push. Push it down, fold. For about 10 minutes or so until it becomes not like that sticky. Okay, now we have kneaded the dough. Now we have kneaded the dough into a nice lump you can stretch, almost like really stiff slime. We're now going to mould it out on a baking pan into like a long shape thing. Okay, so we have got the baking non-stick paper stuff. I've got a pan underneath. We're just gonna put that thing on there, just like that. And mould it into a nice, like, not sausage shape, an oval long shape thing. Okay, now we have done that, I'm now going to sprinkle a teensy bit of plain white flour, just for that contrast look, on top, just like that. Snowing, it's literally snowing right now, and we've got like a foot of it, and it's up to my knee in some places. Okay, now we have done this like sausage shape thing, we have an oven preheated to gas mark 8, I believe, and I don't actually know what, wait a second, I'll check. So apparently for electric users, it is 230 Celsius to, and 450 Fahrenheit. We're gonna whop this thing in the oven for a good 40 minutes or so until it's nice and bread-like. Okay, now we have got the sausage and we're now gonna put it in the oven. Oh, it's hot. So, the bread is ready, I think. It's been about half an hour to 45 minutes, I think. We're now going to take it out of the oven and see how it looks. So I've got the plate. I'm going to transfer this. Oh, that's really hot. We're going to transfer this to a plate, and that is heavy. And see if it is like, I don't know, ready or not, I guess. Weapon achieved. Stab it. It looks ready. Let's cut it open. See how it looks. This way. Oh, by the way, tell me if the light makes an improvement, because I'm also, well, it's on the way, getting a DSLR, the D300-200 and something or other. I've just brought back charge of it. Okay, we are going to cut the bread and see how it looks. Tell me if the lights are making a difference in the video quality, because like that video quality is key and good content, which, tell me if it's good content or not. Ooh. No, that's not good. I'm going to try and cut this over. There we go, that's better. Trying to make this all up. Looks pretty good, if I say so myself. So this is how you make brown bread from scratch. Well, it's not from scratch, is it? It's from a packet, but still. Okay, I tried my best. Bye.